Blue Star High Secondary School video classes for 10th standard mathematics. Happy morning students, have a nice day. Today we are going to see the topic 3.6.6 nature of roots of a quadratic equation. The roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, comma, a is not equal to 0 are found using the formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Here b square minus 4ac called as the discriminant, which is denoted by delta of the quadratic equation, decides the nature of roots as follows. So you already know how to find the roots of the quadratic equation. We already derived it. So here b square minus 4ac is called the discriminant. Discriminant is nothing but an algebraic expression related to the coefficients of a polynomial equation whose value gives information about the roots of the polynomial. So discriminant is nothing but gives the information about the roots of the polynomial. So b square minus 4ac is the discriminant of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. The discriminant spelling is discriminant. Values of discriminant delta is equal to b square minus 4ac and nature of roots. If delta is greater than 0, real and unequal roots we get. If delta is equal to 0 means the roots are real and equal. If delta is less than 0 means no real roots you get. According to this we have to going to solve the problems. Example 3.40, page number 117. So determine the nature of roots for the following quadratic equation. First subdivision, x square minus x minus 20 is equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation is given in the question. So solution, compare the coefficients of the given equation with the standard form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 1, c is equal to minus 20. Now delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. This is the formula we know. This is nothing but discriminant. So delta is equal to b value is minus 1. So minus 1 the whole square minus 4 into a value is 1 and c value is minus 20. So minus 1 square is nothing but 1, minus into minus plus 4 into 20 is 80. So the value for discriminant, that is delta, is equal to 81, which is greater than 0. So the equation will have real and unequal roots. That's all. The given quadratic equation you have to find the nature of roots. Second subdivision, page number 117. 9x square minus 24x plus 16 is equal to 0. Solution, here a is equal to 9, b is equal to minus 24 and c is equal to 16. Now we know the formula delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. We have to going to find the nature of roots. So delta is equal to b square is minus 24 the whole square minus 4 into a value is 9 and c value is 16, which is equal to minus square is plus 24 square is 576 minus 9 4s are 36 into 16, which is equal to 576 minus 36 into 16 is 576. Therefore delta is equal to 0. So the equation will have real and equal roots. Third subdivision, 2x square minus 2x plus 9 is equal to 0, which is in page number 118. So solution, here A is equal to 2, B is equal to minus 2, C is equal to 9. We know that delta is equal to B square minus 4AC. So now substitute the values of A, B and C. Delta is equal to B value is minus 2 the whole square minus 4 into A value is 2 and C value is 9, which is equal to minus 2 the whole square is 4 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 into 9, which is equal to 4 minus 72. 4 minus 72 gives minus 68. Therefore, delta is equal to minus 68, which is less than 0. So, if delta is less than 0 means the roots, you doesn't get any roots. So, no roots. So, the equation will have no real roots. Exercise 3.13. First question, determine the nature of the roots for the following quadratic equation. So same method, page number 119. First subdivision, 15x square plus 11x plus 2 is equal to 0. Solution, given equation is 15x square plus 11x plus 2 is equal to 0. Here A is equal to 15, B is equal to 11 and C is equal to 2. You have to find the nature of roots. So delta is equal to B square minus 4AC. Delta is equal to B square is 11 square minus 4 into A value is 15 into C value is 2, which is equal to 11 square is 121 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 into 15. Which is equal to 121 minus 8 into 15 is 120, which is equal to 1. Therefore, delta is equal to 1, which is greater than 0. Therefore, the equation will have real and unequal roots. So similarly, second, third and fourth subdivision problem also you are going to find the nature of roots. That's your homework problem. So second subdivision, which is in page number 119, x square minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. You get the discriminant value is 5. So which is greater than 0. So the roots are real and unequal. Then third subdivision, root 2t square minus 3t plus 3 root 2 is equal to 0. This problem is also belongs to page number 119. The discriminant value is minus 15, which is less than 0. Therefore, the roots are unreal. And fourth subdivision, 9y square minus 6 root 2y plus 2 is equal to 0. This is also in page number 119. The discriminant value is 0. So the roots are real and equal. First problem, fifth subdivision, 9a square b square x square minus 24 abcdx plus 16 c square d square is equal to 0, where a not equal to 0, comma b is not equal to 0. This problem also belongs to same page number 119. So solution, here the a value is, here you have the small alphabet A. So we consider this as a capital A, capital B and capital C. So capital A is equal to 9a square b square and capital B is equal to minus 24 ABCD and capital C is equal to 16 C square D square. So we know the discriminant value delta is equal to B square minus 4AC, which is equal to B square is minus 24 ABCD the whole square minus 4 into A value is 9 A square B square into 16 C square D square, which is equal to minus 24 square is 576 A square B square C square D square. Then minus, already you solve the same number problem in an example problem. So 4 9s are 36. 36 into 16 also you have 576. A square, B square, C square and D square. So the delta value is 0. Therefore the roots are real and equal.